Hello everyone. Recently we have had some chicks. We had a high rate of hatching for the first time trying, in which we got 33 chicks out of 38 eggs. We held the new chicks in a big cardboard box, which very soon was too small for them, so I decided to build a bigger brooder. For the brooder we used materials we had around the house, a few leftovers from old projects. Up to 6 weeks, as I find out, we needed 1 square foot for one chick. I plan to build a 4 foot by 8 foot pen for the chicks. A brooder is a heated enclosure in which young fowl or livestock are raised. Also, a device for the artificial rearing of young chickens and other birds.